just like that, 13 hours later, we have arrived in Auckland, New Zealand. So we're going to be going through customs, and then we take another flight down to Wellington as we begin our journey in New Zealand. So stay tuned, it's going to be awesome. My first impressions of New Zealand is it is a beautiful country. The city is just surrounded with beautiful foliage. Like, well, check out these plants up here. And then the architecture of the old buildings is just truly a really, really cool place. I am enjoying this very, very much. Not only did we experience the beauty of the country, we also were able to immerse ourselves in the culture. We went and we stayed at a Marae. This is a Maori meeting place, and there was a special ceremony that took place because you can't just show up and go into the Marae. You have to be invited. And so I'm going to show you exactly how this happened.
Has nothing to do with gender or anything like that. And back in the bad old days, when we used to walk everywhere, sometimes you would go months without seeing people that you loved in your whānau or family. So you would come back and you would hungi, and the hungi could last minutes because it was a great expression of aroha, of love that you had for other people. But it's also an expression of peace because you are sharing one breath with the other person.
This next part is the ceremony where we did the hungi. Now, the hungi is a traditional Maori greeting performed by two people pressing their noses together. Often it includes they're touching their foreheads. And with our group, this was something totally new. And some of the kids at the school didn't really know what to expect. And so here's some footage as the Maori people greet us with the hungi. Check it out. It's awesome. You had any doubt of New Zealand's geothermal activity? Take a look, check it out. We've been in New Zealand now for almost 2 weeks, and we've seen this beautiful country. To me, it has a flavor of Canada, but it also has like a tropical mix with the foliage and the ferns. It's just such a beautiful, amazing place. And I just want to take some time to show you some of the highlights that we were able to experience as we came to this wonderful place here. So here we are in New Zealand. We're in Alistair Smith's farm, and we're getting a tour of it. It is beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the scenes. For those of you who did not believe that New Zealand is probably one of the most beautiful countries in the world, here you go, bro. Here you go. Check this out. Look at this. We're at our friend Alistair Smith's ranch. He's got a cattle farm, and he's just showing us the property. It is incredible. So while being here in New Zealand, I was introduced to this kiwi fruit. It's called marigold kiwi. I'm not sure if you've ever had a marigold kiwi, but it is different than the normal kiwi fruits that you get. It has like a golden inside, and it tastes so sweet. So if you haven't seen the inside of a marigold kiwi, that's what it looks like. And the taste, let me tell you, so sweet, delicious. We need more of these in America. We're in New Zealand's oldest chapel. It was built in 1866 and pretty sick. If you're ever in Taupo, New Zealand, I highly recommend that you come and you do the Hooker Falls jet boat. It was amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and put some footage of what we experienced. It was so cool. Check it out. All right, here we are at Hooker Falls on the jet boats. Check them out. Yes. Adventure awaits at Papa's Place. Here we go. All right, we're here in New Zealand on the Redwood Tree Walk. This is pretty sick, man. This is our guide.
Hi.
How high up are we?
We're 25 meters up.
All right, so if you're in New Zealand, you gotta definitely check them out. All right, God bless you guys.
Yeah, Mr. Possum.
Bro, this is sketch. Here we go.
Yeah, Mr. Puzzle.
Woohoo! Yeah, baby. Thank you. That was awesome. Appreciate it.
Clear.
Well, here we are, a new beautiful day in New Zealand, and what an adventure do we have for you guys today. We are at Skyline Park in Rotorua, New Zealand. This place is famous for the luge, the giant swing, and zip lines. So we're gonna go ahead and experience those today. So stay tuned for some serious action here on Papa's Place, New Zealand. This has been an amazing experience. Can't wait to share it with you. And stay tuned because we got some exciting things. So here we are at Skyline. We're on the gondola going up. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be awesome. Get ready. I'm here with my boys. We're about to race. Yes, sir. All right, you got ready for this?
Ready.
All right, let's do this. Let's do this.
Ready for this.
All right, that first run on the luge was amazing. Let me show you what's going on here. Check them out. Bro, this place is really fun. So we've got 5 luges. We get to do a zip line, and then there's gonna be a giant swing. So we're looking forward to experiencing it. All right, we are suited in and we are ready to zip line down in New Zealand. Check out this scenery here. Bro, this is amazing. We've got our group here and we're about to experience the zip line, New Zealand style, baby. All right, so here we go. How's that, man? That was great. All right, brothers, where are we? What are we doing?
Holy cow.
What are we doing?
Tempting the Lord.
Tempting the Lord?
Oh my God.
But look at this view. How can we be tempting the Lord with that view?
Beautiful.
Look at this.
Oh my leg.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my You didn't tell us it was like this.
This is
Are
amazing.
your backs to your seat?
I'm trying.
No, I'm like,
trying,
I can't.
bro.
I'm like, yes.
Hey, I'm trying to focus here. Oh my gosh.
What have you done?
No. I need to do laundry. Oh my days, I can't.
Bro,
I can't believe we just did this.
what are we doing?
I'm regretting this for so much right
I'm
now.
regretting this so hard, bro.
I actually did.
Like,
No.
so much
Bro, look
regret.
at the view. Look at the view.
Mr. Paso.
Look at the view.
Pasos, I want to go home.
Bro, this is intense.
Bro, this is crazy.
This is intense.
This is crazy.
You see him waving?
Oh my.
Dude, my heart is pounding.
Good night. Look how tall we are. Look how high we are. Oh, bro.
Bro, I can't.
Hey, that's good.
Okay, we're doing this on 3. Ready? 3, 2.
Yo! That's crazy!
Look at that view.
Oh my
What do you think? What do you think, guys? What do you think? You're right, bro.
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh, that was sick.
My soul just left me. Oh my days.
My soul left and then I caught it on the way down.
Oh,
That was
that was
so sick.
crazy.
That was awesome.
Oh my days.
So we finished our time here at Skyline in New Zealand, and let me tell you, if you want to have fun and enjoy a beautiful scenery, you need to come here. This place was truly amazing. The luge, the giant swing, the zip lines, it was just so much fun. And while you're experiencing it, look at this view of Rotorua. Truly an amazing place, and so glad to come and experience it. All right, what's next for New Zealand? Stay tuned and find out. Well, we're in downtown Auckland and checking out the Space Needle. It looking sick, bro. Check that out. That is so cool. All right, we're gonna go to the bottom and look up. All right, here's up close. Sick. So we're here at the world's fastest Zorb, the original Zorb in New Zealand, and we just finished our time here. It was amazing. What an experience. I'm gonna go ahead and share a little bit of what we experienced here. Check it out.
Oh my word. Oh. Oh my word. I want to see what they say.